Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2024 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, rear view camera. Come take a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.